5 easy ways to learn English faster and smarter. Learning English faster doesn't have to be difficult. Here are 5 simple ways to accelerate your progress. First, immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with English by listening to songs, watching movies, or reading books. The more you hear and see English, the faster you'll learn. Second, practice every day, even if it's just for a short time. Consistency is key to mastering any language. Third, focus on practical vocabulary. Start with words that are most useful to you in daily life, like greetings, directions, and basic phrases. Fourth, speak as much as possible. Don't worry about making mistakes. Practice speaking with others, whether online or in person. Finally, review regularly. Take time to go over what you've learned each week. This reinforces your knowledge and helps you retain new information. By following these 5 steps, you can learn English faster and smarter.